Module 2. MEMS Hardware Platform Overview. In this module, we will provide an overview of the MEMS hardware platform being used in this workshop, including available sensors and expansion capability options. Today's workshop will be using two of our ST development boards, the Nucleo F401RE and the X-Nucleo IKS4A1. The Nucleo platform is part of our open development environment ecosystem, an open, flexible, and easy way to develop innovative devices and applications based on the STM32 microcontroller family. The Nucleo F401RE development board utilizes our STM32F401RE ARM-based processor. The Cortex-M4-based STM32 has 512 kilobytes of flash, 96 kilobytes of RAM, and runs at 84 MHz. The board has Arduino-style connectivity support and ST-Morpho connection headers, allowing easy expansion with other X-Nucleo boards, such as the X-Nucleo IKS4A1. The X-Nucleo IKS4A1 is our latest generation motion MEMS and environmental sensor evaluation board. On-board sensors include the LSM6D SO16IS 3D accelerometer and 3D gyroscope with an integrated intelligent sensor processing unit, or ISPU for short, the LIS2 NDL 3D magnetometer, the LIS2 DUX S12 ultra low power 3D accelerometer, the LPS22DF low power high precision pressure sensor, the STTS22H ultra low power temperature sensor, the LSM6DSV 16X 3D accelerometer and 3D gyroscope with embedded sensor fusion and machine learning core. We have also partnered with Sensirion to include the SHT40 AD1B ultra low power humidity and temperature sensor. The board also features a DIL 24-pin expansion port that is compatible with all of our ST-Eval MKI sensor adapter boards to ease evaluation of additional MEMS sensors. We will go over how to connect the two boards in the upcoming module. In this module, we provided an overview of the MEMS hardware platform being used in this workshop. We also gave an overview of the available sensors and expansion capability options on the Nucleo board platform. This concludes Module 2.